I'm Ryan Kennelly. We're here in a remote location in the California desert where we're testing a Bronco and a Bronco Sport. So let's talk about all those cool 4WP factory parts right now. All right, imagine you just bought a Bronco Sport and you've pulled into the 4 Wheel Parts store, and now we're gonna do all these things to your vehicle. Starting with the lift, we added about 1 inch and leveled up the whole vehicle. Then we went to 245/70/17 wheel and tire package. Next we did is skid plates all the way across the bottom, additional rock sliders, and then we've got some one-off prototype parts. We did a roof rack. It's got accessory lighting on the sides and the front. Moving to the back, we've got this one-off prototype tire gate, and that's so you can carry your full-size spare. Let's look inside. We've got a full camp kitchen and a refrigerator mount hold down. Also, you got accessory bags and all of the other accessories you're gonna need for overlanding and trail recovery. So if you like all this stuff, let us know in the comments what you think. So let's talk about the main event here. This is the big Bronco. This is the one that's cab on chassis with all the cool features. First thing we did was put a 3-inch lift on here, upper control arms and coilovers. Moving on, we did a front bumper, but we gave a lot of clearance in here around the tires so you can get to those obstacles with the tires without rubbing the body. Next thing you know, you'll notice the winch on here. Winch is a secondary application you can bolt on and put any of your favorite 12K winch on here. Moving on to the rear bumper, you're gonna notice a lot of the same features, high clearance, and then 20K pull points, 2x2 LED lights, parking sensors, so it works with all your OEM features. And then we elevate the tire up with a bracket and relocate the license plate so that you got more room under the vehicle for big giant rocks. I almost forgot to mention this. This is the delete. And basically what happens is your OEM fender is removable from the factory, but it leaves these unsightly holes. So we made a nice finished piece that's gonna clean that up so that you can keep the narrow body on the narrow trails. Moving to the rock slider, you're gonna find this is made out of 2-inch tube, 120 wall, and it's gonna support the weight of the vehicle when you get that thing on its side and up into the rocks. We've got 5 total skid plates underneath the vehicle to protect all those important parts to get the longevity out of your vehicle. Ford gives you accessory points to bolt things down, so we made an A-pillar pod that you could put 2 lights on. Then moving to the top, they've also got accessory points here that you can bolt on a roof rack. So we've made the roof rack hold the rooftop tent and the off-road lights. This is all prototype parts. So one of my favorite accessories is this accessory rail. And it's gonna hold all your accessories, including your GPS, your GoPros, your phones, and give you a second set of navigation while you're going down the trail. So let's check out some of these prototype parts in the back from 4WP Factory. We've got a slide out tray, so we've got a fridge strapped down in its own location. We've got a place for all your accessories and recovery gear in the back. Check out this tailgate table. This is a great cooking station or clean workspace. All right, so that's a wrap. We've talked about the Bronco and the Bronco Sport and all the new accessories from 4WP Factory. So if you'd like to know more about those parts, head over to 4wheelparts.com/BroncoHQ.